Good morning, YouTube. Holy it's about 7:30. I just woke up. It was cold as shit last night. Like I said, back down to like the 25s, 26s. Jeez. Fuck. I love my bed. I don't ever want to get up. But I have to. Gotta be productive. My fan going. My heater going. It's a big, giant wind tunnel of hot air in here. And it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. But, good news, peeps. I think I scored an RV. A running, driving RV. For $1,000. They wanted $2,000, but I told them that I was currently sleeping in my car and et cetera, et cetera. I told them, I was like, I got just about 1,900. So I should have like $2,000 by tomorrow. And they were like, you know what? We'll just give it to you for $1,000. I was like, what? Gotta love it. Well, let's make today our bitch. Well, I just got out of a work meeting, and guess what I got? It's another $5 bill down the drain. It's more like 6, but I do love me my caramel macchiatos. Quad shot caramel macchiato. Super good. Sometimes I'll substitute almond milk for it or with it or whatever. Sometimes it makes it a little more sweet. It gives you like less diarrhea, but still. Well, I'm about to get changed. Bam! Fuck. I was just browsing Facebook for a little bit. I still haven't even touched my caramel macchiato. So good. I'm trying to find some apple cider, some of that Angry Orchard's unfiltered, less sweet cider. Except the only thing I'm waiting on is this little skateboard charger. When my skateboard is fully charged, that's when I have the most power. So, all right, guys, let's go. Bingo. That's what I want. But I don't want the fucking extravagant ones. I don't. Ugh.
Good morning.
Thank you. It's like my mini Tesla.
Oh, I got you.
Well, they didn't have what I wanted. They had the Angry Orchards like variety pack or whatever, but I didn't feel like spending $20 right now.
Get out the road!
They were too busy watching me skate. Well, I just wanted to show you guys. I pretty much stripped absolutely everything out of this vehicle just to show you guys how I had it set up. I wanted to film it, but it was raining. Oh, I even knocked off this thing. Well, yeah, so this is how you can see it. I took everything apart so you guys could see. I pretty much ran I ran this long piece of wood right here all the way across. this extra piece of wood up here. Alright, well, you guys get the idea. This is how I was fucking sleeping. Yeah? Cool. But I wanted to show you guys something. Check this out. Yup. That's right, peeps. An entire fucking RV bus. I picked it up from some customers that come into the restaurant. I got it from them for $1,000. They had it listed for $5,000. But they told me they'd be okay with two. They said just give us $2,000. I was like, all right, well, I've almost got $1,900. That'll be everything I got. Oh shit. I gotta tear in my cord somehow. I already feel like a grandpa. I guess this fits.